I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I live in Austin, Texas, and the influence of Tex-Mex cooking on the local food scene is everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to make Texas-style creamed corn. So think of corn that begins with the corn grilled, and then it's going to be mixed with some roasted poblano peppers in a cream sauce that has some cheese and onions and garlic and some spices, and it's just wonderful. It's Texas creamed corn with a Texas-sized attitude. It's easy to make, and it's right here on Austin Eats. So first up, I'll shuck the corn, hit it with a little bit of olive oil along with the poblano pepper, and now that is ready for the grill. So after the poblano pepper came off of the barbecue, I put it in a little paper bag for about 10 minutes, let it steam, and then washed off the charred outer skin under running water. Now I'm just going to wipe off the seeds and the inside, cut this up into about 1/2-inch dice, and set it aside. I've cut the ears off the corn. I'm going to add it to my fry pan, along with the diced poblano pepper, sour cream, queso fresco, then some heavy cream, a little lime zest, lime juice, and finally some cilantro. Now it's time to give that a good stir. Next I'm going to add the garlic and give it another good stir. Now the heat is on, and the goal here is to get the cheese to melt and let that sauce become nice and thick. Now that it's come together, I'm going to add the mayonnaise, off the heat, by the way, along with the green onions and another stir. And finally, I'll add a little salt and pepper and then serve it up topped with fresh cilantro. This is an easy and very tasty side dish. I encourage you to give this one a try. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.